Wall update. No carport update. Still waiting on materials. Morning, Pendong. Oh, that's nice. Pulling off the form. Yep. Today is Thursday, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow, no power again. I hope they get a medal to us today, right? Because if they don't, they're not going to get it tomorrow because no power again. I hope they get it today. Yeah, it's rough.
Always.
Zamiko's upgrading, right? So, power problems. Yeah. Get this wall all smoothed up and done. Stick around and see the completion of this. Won't be long. Yep. Okay. Keep building. So we'll do another form for this one, another form for this one, and then form that pillar. Then we'll start smooth coating, packing and smooth coating everything. It'll be a nice barrier wall. Okay, everyone. More again later. Take care.